Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let me show you the way natural yogurt can moisturize your hair with honey. Yeah, I have my natural yogurt and honey. Natural yogurt can make your hair grow, and it can also give your hair strength, and at the same time it can make your hair shiny. And which honey also can make your drying of your hair, and at the same time can also make it clean and shine. No damage on your hair. It can make your hair from dryness to natural moisturize without even using any cream on your hair. Yeah, I already put the two ingredients together, so I'm just going to pour it on my small jar that will make it easy when I'm going to use it, the application bottle. So look at how our hair look dry before I'm going to use this natural yogurt. You see the way it look very dry with the weather, but just watch few minutes later when I already use this yogurt on our hair with honey. Really, honey make your hair very shine and moisturize. The same thing with yogurt. It can also strengthen your hair. If you have any damaged hair, try to use this once a while. You will see that your hair will be recovering from damage. What causes damage? Dryness can cause damage on your hair. Using natural yogurt with honey once a while, you can recover all those things without dryness and damaged hair. So I'm just going to massage the ingredient into our hair, just like massage it very well without leaving one strand. Honey clean your hair very well. It make your hair shiny, and it also give your hair strength. Wow, it's really good to use honey. We all know what honey means. Now, honey is not something that can damage our health or whatever. It do the same thing with our hair. It's really making your hair shine. When you have shiny hair, I don't think you will have dryness or damaged hair. Of course, no. So I'm just going to massage everything. I'm in the second section now. I put it into section to make it easier for me to massage it everywhere without even leaving one strand of hair, without massaging it very well. I'm just going to do this all over our hair. It's really helpful, guys. Try, especially with this dry weather. So I continue the same process with all our hair. You see the way I'm just massaging it, and you can see the way the hair is already enjoying the ingredients. Look at it. It was really looking dry when we started, but just look at it. In few minutes it's already changed the situation of the hair. You can see the way I just massaging it. Be gently with the hair. Now I didn't use comb where we lose the hair. I don't even spray water on it. Look at the one that I have not put any yogurt, and look at the one that I already put yogurt. Tell me if there is no difference of the hair. Of course, look at it. I'm done with the cream massage, so I'm just going to put the hair into bond. Guys, you can see the beginning and now. You see the way the hair really enjoyed the yogurt and the honey. Look at the way it's just looking soft without using comb. It's already looking amazing. You can see the way my hand is just passing through without using comb. It was really helpful to the hair. We do this once a while, guys. You can see the way my hand is just passing like a comb without spraying any single water on it. So now I'm going to put it. I'm going to use plastic bag and our heat cap. So what heat cap does, it makes the product penetrate into the hair very well. I will use my hand dryer on it for few minutes. If it doesn't have heat cap, it's also possible. You can leave it for 30 to 35 minutes with cloth, any cloth that you are not using at home. Just use it to cover it and leave it for few minutes. So few minutes later, we will go to the bathroom to go and rest it out before we wash it. So here we are in the bedroom. Now we are just going to raise it before we use shampoo. You want to raise the product out first before you put shampoo on it. So now I'm just going to raise the hair very well without leaving any product on it. Then I will use shampoo on the hair. I am done resting it, so I'm just going to use shampoo. This is the shampoo we are using for today. I'm just going to put shampoo on the hair and make sure I wash it very well without leaving any product or dirty on our scalp. So I'm just going to pin the hair to make it easier for me. I scratch it very well. So you can see the way I'm just washing it. I'm not hurting her, but I make sure I remove any dirt from her skin. So I'm just scratching everywhere to make it be clean the way I want. So look at how beautiful the shampoo is working on her hair. So I'm just going to do it all over her hair before I rinse it out. When I'm done with the shampoo, I will rinse it out. I will put conditioner and leave it for another few minutes before I rinse the conditioner out also from her hair. Don't leave conditioner on your hair, guys. It's not leaving conditioner. Look at how beautiful and bouncy the hair is really looking compared to the beginning when it was really looking dry. But look at the way it's really bouncy now. So this is the conditioner we are using today. We love Garnier mask. So this is what we are using today. I'm just going to put it everywhere. Is now going to use comb. Since we started this process of wash day routine, we have not used comb. So it's now that I'm going to use comb. You can see the way the comb is just passing easily because the hair really enjoyed the treatment we gave to the hair. So now I'm just combing the hair gently. I'm going to do this all over our hair before I will use my detangling comb to comb it as well before we cover it for a few minutes and rinse the product out. Keep on watching, guys. Now I'm just going to use the detangling comb to comb everything. You can see the way the hair is really bouncy. We really enjoy the treatment we gave to the hair. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, thank you. I appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video. Few minutes later, we are just going to raise the hair. Now we leave the conditioner for few minutes, so now we are going to raise it out. Look at the way the hair really looks softer compared to the beginning. So this is what we do once a while. We have different DIY hair treatment that we use. So our hair do grow, but we need to take care of the hair. So I'm just raising the product out before we leave the bathroom. We're almost done, guys. Look at it. We really enjoyed the product. So now I'm done. Don't just forget to dry your hair, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye bye.